Hey guys, it's Yesenia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little vlog. I'm going to be starting off with my workout, my basic workout that I normally do, because I'm trying to get back in good shape for summer. But I am going to continue to vlog what I do throughout the rest of the day. This morning I just woke up and took my sister to Saturday school. I took a shower, came back home, and as you saw, I did a little workout routine. And I feel like I want to do more than that, so I am going to jump on my trampoline for a few minutes, and I'm going to update y'all on what else I need to do for today. So if you guys like more vlogs like these, please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in a minute. Okay, so I'm basically gonna start off with cleaning my workout mat that I got at Marshall's. So you can see my room is really small, and for some reason the floors tend to get really dirty, but what I like about hardwood floor is that it's easy to clean than like carpet. Okay, so enough rambling. I am going to be cleaning my sweaty workout mat with this Lysol all-purpose cleaner, and it smells so good, like really good. So I'm gonna spray down the mat, clean it. Wow, you guys would not believe how dirty my workout mat was. Look at this. Well, I actually kind of do believe it, because my floors are pretty dirty, and I have not mopped my floors in a good minute. So, and I've been working out every day too, so I kind of do believe it. But I'm glad I finally cleaned that, because I could start smelling like the mat is not clean, and sometimes I don't wear socks when I do work out, and it's like, you know. So I'm glad I cleaned that. Feels good to have my mattress cleaned, have that, go ahead and get that out of the way. Next thing I'm going to be doing is maybe changing my comforters. And what I like about this is all I have to do is put this little string on it, and I put it underneath my bed, because honestly I store a lot of things underneath my bed ever since I removed my normal bed frame from my bed and all of that. See how convenient is that? And it's like you are going to a yoga class, like you just carry it like if it's a handbag or purse. And I just kind of like put it down here. If y'all can see, yep, I put it right over here. I'm going to get some fresh sheets and change my bed sheets, my comforter, and all of that. Changed my mind, I'm not going to change them, but what I will do is put them to wash. I just love the smell of fresh sheets, and it just feels so good to lay down in some fresh sheets. So I'm going to take everything off my bed and go put it to wash. So I went ahead and I put my sheets to wash, my bed sheets to wash. And now I'm going to be cleaning underneath my bed again. But this time I'm going to be like going under there and cleaning really good. So wish me luck on that. But so far so good. It's 12:42 and I feel like I've gotten a lot done so far. So let me quit rambling and under my bed, here I go. Okay, so this is all the dirt from like the above portion of underneath my bed. Honestly, I remember I told y'all I was gonna crawl under, but like why if I could just slide my bed instead of cramping myself in there, which is another pro about having hardwood floors as well. It's easier to move furniture around, and I am going to finish getting the rest under here, and yeah. Well, would you look at that? That is everything I got from my room. And now what I'm gonna do is get my vacuum and suck all of the dirt up. It's so much easier for me to do that instead of getting the recogedor and picking it up like that. I don't know how to say it. Like, I don't know what it's called. It's like a triangle. I feel like I sound so dumb trying to explain that, but the triangle thing to pick up the dirt. And in Spanish, the word for it is the recogedor. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum all of this non-juicy stuff up. Okay, so now that everything is off the floor, it's time to put my chair in the hallway like I did with that, and go ahead and get the mop water ready. Okay, so I just changed the battery to my camera. I went ahead and I wet my T-mop. Oh, God. And now I have to take this chair out of my room. Okay, so that's done, and I'm going to be using Pledge on the floor. So I am done with everything I needed to do with my room, as in floors and such. Now, I've really been procrastinating on cleaning the interior of my car. I always clean the exterior, so I always go and get a car wash in my car and everything like that, but I haven't cleaned the windows. I haven't dusted inside of my car, and it's really been driving me crazy, so I'm going to get that done. I could see all the dust. Oh my gosh, I forgot the Swiffer for inside of the house, so I'm gonna have to go in back and get that.